Time is a strange companion, one that flows differently depending on our experiences. When engaged in joyful activities, moments seem fleeting, yet during painful times, they stretch endlessly. This phenomenon, termed time perception, is deeply rooted in our brain's processing. Studies reveal that our emotional states can distort how we gauge time, influenced by factors like age and adrenaline. For example, during high-stress events, our brains take in more information, creating the illusion that more time passed than actually did. Understanding time perception opens up a universe of questions about reality, consciousness, and how different beings may experience time differently. Join us as we unravel these mysteries.